920 Atlanta 1080. We're on Piedmont Road, southbound, passing Piedmont Circle. It's a white Jeep Trackhawk.
It starts as a routine observation on Piedmont Road, but the suspect quickly maneuvers a white Jeep Trackhawk, turning and doubling back. Officers must anticipate every move while weaving through high-speed traffic. Speeds are climbing, curves are tight, and every second counts. Would you follow? Knowing a single mistake could be catastrophic?
920, we're northbound on Piedmont. Careful, northbound on Piedmont. I'm waiting for you. 920 to turn around again. We're back southbound. We're back southbound. 920 going south on 85. We're going south on 85. Be careful of the entrance curve on 85 south. 10-4, we're going onto it now. Getting onto the connector. Yeah, we're getting onto the connector. You got an update? Still on the connector, southbound. Drivers in and out of traffic. Still on the connector, southbound, in and out of traffic. 920.
Now on the connector and triple-digit speeds, the suspect darts in and out of traffic. Officers call out turns, adjust positioning, and communicate constantly. A perfect example of tactical pursuit under extreme risk. Every decision balances the chase against safety. At this pace, one miscalculation could end the pursuit. Would you attempt a pit here or keep distance?
Connector South Atlanta, past Cortland Street now. Okay. Cortland. Looks like you might be in one. Yeah, boy, so red box on line 1020. Left line up and down, so I'm 120 now. Looks like he's about to take 20. Looks like he's about to take 20. Negative, MLK. MLK. Yeah, for MLK. He turned around, going the other way.
10 right radio, I'll be to negative that vehicle. Clear.
Yeah.
Still on.
And I got it.
Clear. Making it right.
Right on Oakland. Carefully, where you go, left or right?
He went left.
Clear. No, wait, where you at? I see him up ahead. It's eastbound on whatever.
Clear.
Alright, come around. He turned left at this light up there.
Yeah.
The suspect disappears briefly after a last left turn, showing how quickly visual control can be lost even for seasoned officers. Every maneuver, every update matters. Patience, coordination, and split-second judgment define the difference between success and disaster. This chase illustrates the razor-thin margin for error in high-speed pursuits.
Eight in a week. Eight in radio. That vehicle proceeded, made a left up here at this stop sign. Hold on. Made a left on the Wiley. We lost visual of that vehicle, but vehicle made a left onto a Wiley.
A textbook mix of vigilance, precision, and coordination. Officers maintained control, adapted to a dangerous suspect, and managed risk throughout the pursuit. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real-world chase analysis from police units across the country.